Hi, it's Adreset, and today I'll show you how to set a screen lock on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. First, open Settings, then go into the Security and Privacy, and then Device Unlock. Here we have a screen unlock. As you can see, I have PIN, so I'll just put in the PIN, and if you don't have any, then right here, that's what you're gonna see. Now just select, for example, a pattern. Here, draw your pattern and draw your pattern again and confirm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.